As far as Goan railway activities are concerned, so many programs within the short time. Not only this railway station, the other also not coming under the Indian Railway directly, but there also our Honorable Prime Minister, 3 months back when I visited Honorable Prime Minister, I told that this is part of Konkan Railway, a different budget and other things are there. Immediately, the Prime Minister ordered through Railway Minister a project, and that also started, because the Konkan Railway is always in loss, so they can't undertake much programs. But especially our Prime Minister took initiative, and that is why developments are going on there. And here also today's, because the local people are concerned, their products should be given priority, and for that purpose, in the most important part of this railway station, a stall which is visible for everybody, and all arrangements are there, and our Goan local products are exhibited there and selling. So we will welcome the Goan people as a whole, our Honorable Minister, our Honorable MP, all others are present there, and this is a golden opportunity for Goa, and I congratulate the Central, our Union Railway Minister as well as Prime Minister for their initiative in this regard. Thank you very much.
डेव्हलप जावपा लागला आनी वन प्रोडक्ट आनी गोयचे जे लोकल्सा खातीर जे प्रोत्साहन मेळपा लागला तेचेर तुमचें कितें म्हणणें?
आमच्या अध्यक्षान सांगिल्ले भशेन दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ अ लॉंग टर्म प्लॅन फॉर द प्रोग्रेस एंड डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ दिस कंट्री. फाटल्या दिसान आमचो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीन स्कीम अनाउन्स केला, विश्वकर्मा योजना. थिंक कितें आहा, वॉट इज द मेन एसेंस ऑफ दॅट स्कीम इज टू एनकरेज आर्टिजन्स. Now these stalls are being opened. Most artisans fail because of marketing. Through these stalls, this scheme is going to be taken forward. Artisans have an outlet here. Artisans have an outlet in Savarde. Our Goan artisans will be able to sell their products. So this is part of his long vision for development of the country. Mr. Adhyaksh and Sangil Debashin, corridor for cargo, improvement in speed of local trains, Vande Bharat. When Vande Bharat started, आमी सगळे म्हणटाले गोंय एक मेळ्ळ्या पुरो. आतां गोंय 2 ट्रेन येतात.
आमचे पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदीजी हांच्यांनी आज व्हर्च्युअली अहमदाबाद गुजरातच्यान देशभरातल्या 760 जाग्यांचेर व्हर्च्युअली 85,000 करोड रुपयाचे वेगवेगळे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर, त्याच्या भितर इनॉग्रेशन आनी फावंडेशन स्टोन हे घातिल्लें आसा. आनी ताचे बरोबर 1 स्टेशन 1 प्रॉडक्ट. देशातल्या प्रत्येक रेल्वे स्टेशनाचेर एक प्रॉडक्ट, लोकल प्रॉडक्ट, त्या प्रॉडक्टाचे दुकानाचे इनॉग्रेशन व्हर्च्युअली तांच्यांनी केलें. गोंयचे 2 रेल्वे स्टेशन, वास्को आनी सावर्डे, अशा दोनूय रेल्वे स्टेशनाचेर 2 जी लोकल, वोकल फॉर लोकल जशें म्हणटा आमी, गोंयच्या प्रॉडक्टाची 2 दुकानां हांगा सुपूर्द केल्लीं आसा.